Hello and welcome to you, Squad. We are thrilled to have you join us for today's exploration into the fascinating world of modern geometry.
I am Andre Jani Angub.
And I'm Jessie Tagalog.
And in this episode, we'll be delving into the concept of Incidence Axiom 1.
In a world teeming with complexity, towers that scrape the sky, satellites that orbit the Earth, networks that connect billions, everything begins with something simple: 2 points. One of the most fundamental truths in geometry says it all. 2 distinct points determine a unique line. This axiom might seem small, but it echoes through every facet of our engineered world. For any 2 distinct points A and B, there exists exactly one line that passes through both. GPS navigation relies on this principle. By calculating your position between 2 or more known locations, a direct path appears, guiding you home. In engineering, precision is everything. From bridges to buildings, 2 points help define the beams, frames, and skeletons of our cities. Every polygon in a video game or animated film, it starts with 2 points on the line. Surveying transforms nature into neighborhoods. A line drawn from a landmark to a landmark becomes a boundary between public and private, city and suburb. In optics, light travels the shortest path between 2 points, a straight line. It is how lasers cut steel and how the internet travels through glass fibers. A simple axiom, a timeless truth. 2 points determine a line, and that line determines direction, connection, and purpose. From 2 points, we draw our path forward, one line at a time.